How to activate US Bank Focus Card. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to activate your US Bank Focus Card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can, check out US Bank Focus website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you're going to search first is the US Bank Focus website, of course, but with this, usbankfocus.com/card-activation. So upon entering this certain page will appear. So this is where you will activate your US Bank Focus Card. So for example, if you already have an account number, of course, you need to input your US Bank Focus Card account number right here. And for example, I'm just going to put random, information. And after that, you will need to input also your employee ID. And yeah, I don't have any employee ID, but if you have one, you can just, input your employee ID here and click validate. And after validating, it will start validating your account number. And if it's already validated, another window will appear where, you can just follow the instruction. It's so easy. You will need to input, of course, your personal details, your, names and, house or where you live and contacts, email address, all of that will be asked, and make sure that all information are correct, because this information will be the base on creating your card. And yeah, that's it. So after you input all your personal details, you will need also to transfer a certain amount first in order to activate your US Bank Focus card, because your card needs to have a little amount to be activated, and all of bank accounts needs that. And yeah, that's it. So just follow the instruction through the end, and you will make your card properly. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can activate your US Bank Focus card. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.